at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame.
Alright guys, we're heading to LA right now. Bro, I retuned the bike. So, on boost, my 4th power mode, look at this. Bro, it's crazy. And then, I also have a crazy mode, which is just like, bro, look how much I'm twisting it, and look at this. It's like actually insane. I finally was able to put the CR80 forks on. Look how good they look. First bike with CR80 forks. And I powder coated the triple clamps. So I did a few things since the last video. I powder coated my peg mount because I had polished it before. And then I got a 2025 motor. Look at that. And I got a few new titanium bolts, but now 2025 motor is so good. I barely lose any battery. But yeah, and then I was an inch away from a double hand drag. Like, bro, I was like, and then my friend was like, you're an inch away. And then I sent it, and I looped. But it's all good. So we're gonna meet up with 2 of my friends at the Metro. This kid too. And then I could left side hand drag now, like this. Alright guys, we made it. Look how good this looks with the CR80 forks, 2025 motor with new titanium bolts, all foot brake bolts, titanium. Just missing the fender, excuse that. Oh, clear Baja lens, looks so good. Bike looks so good. Yo guys, we made it to LA. Let's go. We got up a little early, so we're going to the meetup spot right now because we didn't want to be, the Metro is getting boring. So now we're gonna head up to the meetup spot. I'll see you guys back when we're there. We're riding now. Yeah.
What the fuck? Hey, I didn't hear you. I recognize the. Damn! What the fuck?
I I was like an inch away from double hand drag and I lost it.
Damn. Hey, I seen a chrome in the chrome march.
Oh yeah.
That shit hard.
Thank you.
I see you since a YU 85.
Yeah.
That shit hard. Man.
Yo.
This guy was like, is that the cleanest Ultra? I was like, I don't know, is it Ben?
Yeah.
Depends. If it's Ben, then yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Good to
I actually
see you, man.
polished it now.
Yeah, you repolished it?
Oh, it was wrapped before.
No way.
Yeah.
I just always assumed it was polished.
Yeah.
It looks incredible.
Thank you.
And then it's like, if it gets scratched, you just polish it.
Yeah.
So fire.
I know. If I fall, I can just resand.
Bro, I'm so happy to see you out here, man.
Bro, I know. You too. We gotta ride soon.
Hell yeah. A little bit now, a little bit later.
I bet.
I'm so down.
Good to see you though.
Yeah, you too, bro.
You.
You're killing it. Your YouTube video is so good.
Thank you. All right, guys, we're gonna leave the Rideout right now.
Yeah, we're leaving the Rideout.
All right, guys, we made it to the metro. We're about to head back to Long Beach, but I'm gonna take the GoPro off and continue it when we're back in LB. Let's go.
Yeah, it ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could